this video, we're going to look at child choking. Now, a child is defined as anything from the age of 1 to 8, but the treatment for child choking is exactly the same as an adult. Now, a child can choke on absolutely anything, same as an adult. You can see in this example, she's going to choke on a crisp. And as soon as she starts struggling for breath, you'll see her hands go up by her throat. She's making an attempt to cough. So the very first thing we're going to do is stay calm. And we're going to tell her to cough, to continue trying to cough. Now, if that doesn't work, we're then going to lean her forwards, either by standing up or leaning her on the chair, whichever is the easiest thing to do. And we're going to do up to 5 back slaps. We're going to use the heel of the hand, so you're going to hit down between the shoulder blades. We check to see if it's come out, and then we're going to hit again, and we're going to up to 5 of those. If that doesn't work, we're going to then do an abdominal thrust. Now, abdominal thrust, same as on the adult, we put the thumb inside of our fist, and kind of a knuckle of your thumb is what's going to go underneath the diaphragm, which is underneath the rib cage and above the stomach muscles. And we're going to pull inwards and upwards up to 5 times. We're going to repeat all that again if it still hasn't come out. So 5 more back slaps, 5 or more abdominal thrusts. And then again, after 3 cycles, and if we're by ourselves, that's when we need to go and call the ambulance. However, if there's somebody else there with you, of course you're going to call the ambulance straight away.